A UAV just 2 centimeters long, weighing less than a gram, and flapping its wings like an insect. Sounds like sci-fi? It's not. China is testing a tiny new drone with potential applications in military spying and civilian surveillance. Today, we break down the engineering behind this mosquito robot and why it's raising eyebrows around the world. Currently limited by its size, weight, and payload capacity, this tiny drone, just 2 centimeters long and weighing only zero point 0.3 grams, may eventually be deployed in swarms with further improvements. Featuring 2 miniature wings and 3 spindly legs, the device was developed by the National University of Defense Technology, NUDT, in Hunan Province. Though designed for military use, the microdrone could one day disrupt various civilian industries and services as well. Its wings flap at a staggering 500 times per second. Its stick-thin body is packed with sensors and engineered to mimic a mosquito, making it nearly undetectable by conventional radar systems. The microbiodrone was first showcased on Chinese state military television. These insect-sized robotic platforms are ideal for intelligence gathering and battlefield special missions. Reports suggest the drone could eventually be deployed in swarms for surveillance or espionage operations. However, experts note there's currently no evidence that the prototype is capable of real-world field deployment. China is actively researching swarm technology to operationalize micro-UAVs, though several significant challenges remain. One of the biggest hurdles is its extremely limited power, restricting it to indoor flights. While its tiny size is an advantage for stealth, it comes at the cost of payload, making it difficult to equip the drone with cameras, microphones, or jamming devices. Outdoor use, at this early stage, is also impractical. Even a light breeze could destabilize the drone. For now, the mosquito-sized drone remains confined to a laboratory testbed. Still, speculation continues that with future upgrades, it could be deployed outside the lab environment. That's why the potential impact and scope of such near-invisible surveillance tools remains both fascinating and concerning. From military reconnaissance to possible misuse in civilian settings, the purpose of these microdrones depends entirely on the hands that control them. Their ability to penetrate areas beyond the reach of conventional weapons, and their use in civilian, industrial, or political spying cannot be ignored. However, their undetectable intelligence-gathering capabilities raise serious legal and ethical questions. Drones this small could perform a range of ISR, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, especially in environments where larger drones can't operate, like indoor spaces. Other nations have also picked up on this shift in warfare tech and are exploring miniaturization. Norway's Black Hornet, a palm-sized micro-drone equipped with a camera and sensors, is already in use by several militaries, including the U.S. Army, and is operated with a small handheld device. In 2019, researchers at Harvard released updated studies on their Robo-Bee model, a micro-drone that closely resembles China's prototype. Some Robo-Bee variants can transition from swimming to flying or perch on surfaces using electrostatics, according to Harvard's Weiss Institute. They also envision autonomous versions being used for crop monitoring and environmental tracking. For now, China's NUDT prototype remains a lab demo. But as China enters the microdrone arena, it offers a glimpse into a future where wars and espionage aren't measured in missiles or tanks, but in millimeters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.